Hello everyone, let me guide you through the demo of CRM or Lead Multiple Assignee in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool allows multiple team members to be assigned to a single lead, ensuring better teamwork and faster response times. Perfect for businesses with complex sales cycles, it enhances lead management by enabling shared responsibility and improved follow-ups, increase efficiency, improve customer engagement, and close deals faster by the leveraging multiple assignees for each opportunity. So we will go into the CRM module, open that, and here you can see all the pipelines. From new, you can create a new pipeline, but first we will go into the list view. Here, click on new and a form will appear. Enter your pipeline title. I will be adding acoustic block as my pipeline title. After that, add your contact. I will be adding BrowseInfo as my contact. You can see everything else is updated. Now, you can see the salesperson. Under that, add your assignees. I will be adding Joel and Mark as my assignees. Now, save this pipeline and you can see the assignees are Joel and Mark in here. You can see everything. Here you can see the pipeline and in here you can find the pipeline of acoustic blocks. Now we will go into the setting under user and companies. We will go into the users and we'll open Mark. Here we came to check that in sales it is selected user owned document only. Even though we have selected user owned document only, we will be able to see the pipeline of acoustic block. Here we will log out from Michelle admin and we will log in from Mark demo. Enter your password and log in. Now here you can see we have been logged in from Mark demo. Now go into the CRM and in here you can see the pipeline we just created from Michelle admin. Open that pipeline and here you can see every little detail of the pipeline in here. Even though we have been logged in from Mark demo, we can still see this pipeline because we are one of the followers in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.